listening to these classes for a long time. I am also sharing these thoughts for a long time. For the last 2 days or few days, I have been thinking as to what exactly is the real something by listening to knowing who is. The problems can be solved for all people. Because as we see in the world, there are so many different situations are coming up, so many. Whether it is Israel or America or in Europe, so many different types of situations are coming up. Now the question is, everybody has a suggestion as to how the problems can be solved. For everybody, how the problems can be solved. Everybody has a suggestion. And when I was thinking about it, I was thinking, what is the real way out? And I shall share it with you. Okay, what is the real way out? While talking these things, shall I be in a smiling face? Or shall I be very serious? This is not a matter for laughter. This is not a matter for seriousness. Just like the creation. The creation is in all moods. Neither it smiles, nor it is always disturbed. Yet all the moods are existing in it. So while talking about it, what mood I shall be? Forget about it. Just be calm, dispassionate, and see things very clearly as it is. First thing, friends, please think of it. First question, first observation is, when people are trying to give solution to the problem of the world, each one gives his type of suggestion. Suppose you are a singer, a musician. That person shall say, if only everybody participates in music, world will be a better place. Suppose somebody is a top-class athlete. They shall say, if everybody gets involved with athletics, games, different types of adventure sports, world will be a wonderful place. Please listen. Suppose some people are into making money and doing big business. They say, if everybody is rich, the problems shall be solved. Or suppose there is a society where there are simple people, maybe in a forest, and they seem to be very calm and undisturbed. Then everybody shall say, if only we can go into that simplicity, all human problems will be solved. And every person is dreaming that I should be something so that my whole problem is solved. And everybody is gearing towards it. And friends, a simple thing you please see. Whatever we dream to be or to become, it has become a reality for somebody. If I dream, I aspire that if only I can be PhD, there are thousands of millions of PhDs. If only I can be a top executive, there are thousands of top executives. If I am dreaming to be the richest man, in so many generations always there have been richest people in the world. Richest people in the country, in the continent, in your village, in your state. Whatever we are dreaming to be or become, somebody else has become. But in becoming those things, nothing has happened to those people. They are still looking for something. Are you getting that point, please? Because we have every person has a very, very deep-seated wish, a dream, aspiration, hope, expectation, that if only I can get married, if only I get divorced, if only I have children, if only I had a job, if only I had money. Are you getting that point, please? You ask yourself, if only I had a better understanding of life, if only I knew Sanskrit, if only I had gone round the world, if I could take a trip to the moon or the Mars. This is not poetry, friends. Think of it. This is not poetry. If only I can go to North Pole, South Pole. Everybody has that type of thinking. Then my life will be better. Listen carefully. So what does it mean? Everybody already taken for granted that I am miserable at this moment. If only something happens, I will be better. Are you getting that point? If only this happens, if only I am rich, if only I have this particular car, if only I have this type of wife, this type of husband, this type of parents. And whatever you are dreaming, somebody else has got it. Okay? There is a basic flaw in that. Whole humanity is struggling. Individual's problem, world's problem. Think, friends. Individual's problem. Individual is never satisfied with himself. He always dreams, if only I can be a little fatter or slimmer, little more healthy, if I am younger, if I have this house, if I have this money, if I... How many wish list? That is why if an average person, if you ask him, hey, you must be a very happy person. How can you say like that? How can a man happy in this world? There are religions which religiously denounce, religiously make it impossible for people that nobody should say he is happy. How can he be happy in this world? Why? There is so much of misery. Listen, there is so much of misery, so much of pain. And individuals say, how can I be happy? I don't have a job. I'm not so young. My parents are not there. I don't have a good wife or husband. I don't have millions. I have not gone around the world. I don't have a car. Meaning, if all these things I can have, then only I will be happy. If it is one macro dream of a micro person, if it is a huge dream of a simple individual, imagine there are 7 billion people dreaming. How the problems of the world can be solved? How your own problem can be solved? Impossible.